Thanks for calling Aura Med Spa Clinic. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a skin consultation. Do you have availability maybe tomorrow at around 2 p.m.?
It looks like 2 p.m. tomorrow is already booked, but we do have openings at 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Would either of those times work for your skin consultation?
Yeah, 1 p.m. would work for me.
Perfect. Can I grab your full name, phone number, and email to secure your 1 p.m. skin consultation?
My name is John Smith. My phone number is 12498765543 and my email address is efran7681@gmail.com.
Thanks, John. Just to confirm, your name is John Smith. Phone number is 124987543, and your email is efran7681@gmail.com. You'd like to book a skin consultation tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
All set, John. You're booked for your skin consultation tomorrow at 1 p.m. If you need anything else or want to adjust your appointment, just let me know. We look forward to seeing you.
In this video, I am going to be showing you step by step how to build an AI voice agent with Retell. This voice AI agent is able to check availability within a calendar system, book appointments automatically 24/7, and then even go ahead and send confirmation emails to the customers as well. And if you don't already know me, my name is Ifran. I have been helping businesses implement voice AI solutions just like this to save time, cut cost, and drive growth. So if you are a business owner and you are looking to implement any sort of voice AI solutions, feel free to book a free discovery call using the link description below. So now let's go right ahead and start building it. To build the voice AI agent, first of all sign into retellai.com. After signing into retellai.com, we are going to click right up here into the create an agent button. Now we are going to select voice agent. Our agent type is single prompt agent and we are going to start from blank. Now click on create. I am going to call it Med Spa agent. Here we have the LLM of the AI agent. I am going to use GPT 4.1 as our LLM, and here we have the voice. For the voice, I am going to use the default one, but you can try different voices from here. Our language is English, but you can make it multilingual as well. Now here we have to add our system prompt. The system prompt defines AI agent's role and how it will talk to the customers. Now I'm going to paste in the prompt that I have already pre-built. You will get this full prompt in the link description below. On the prompt, at first we have to give it a role. You are Sarah, a friendly and professional receptionist at Aura Med Spa Clinic, a luxury med spa specializing in facials, massage therapy, laser treatments, injectables, and skin consultation. After the role, I have specified its task. Your primary task is to schedule new appointments for clients seeking for med spa services. You guide a client through the booking process in 3 steps: greeting the user, checking for available appointment slots, and booking the appointment. Then I have described how to greet the customers. After that, I have instructed it how to check availability in the calendar. Once you know the desired service, ask the client for their preferred date and time. Use the check availability function to check the requested time. We are going to make the check availability function later. If their preferred time is available, proceed. If unavailable, politely inform them and suggest the next closest available slot. If the client asks for general availability, use the check availability function to provide options. Then I have described how to book appointments in the calendar. Once a suitable time is agreed upon, collect the client's name, phone number, email address, and service type. Run the book appointment function with the confirmed information. After a successful booking, provide a final confirmation message. Then I have added a little bit of context about the business, and after that I have added an example of a real conversation to improve its accuracy, and at last I have added the notes. On the notes I have added the time zone with this dynamic variable. Here instead of Asia Dhaka you have to use your own time zone. Now we have the welcome message. Here we are gonna select AI speaks first, and the message should be a custom message. Now here we have to add our first message. Its first message is, thanks for calling Aura Med Spa Clinic. This is Sarah. How can I help you today? Now we are gonna click right up here into the functions. Here we have the end call function by default so that the AI can end the call. If you have any document about your business and you want the document to be used as its knowledge base, then you can add the document from here. We can also add a background sound from here. We have coffee shop and other backgrounds here, but I'm not gonna use them, so I'm gonna select nothing. Now we are gonna create check availability function to check slots on the calendar. Click on add button right up here on the function. Now we are gonna select custom function. I'm going to call it check availability. Now we have to add its description. Its description is function to check the slots of the calendar. Now we are going to scroll down here into the parameters. Now click on form. Now click on add button. This parameter is to send up the requested time of the customer, so I'm going to call it time. Its description is the requested time of the customer. Now search on your browser n8n.io and from here sign into your n8n account. After signing into n8n account, we are going to click right up here into create workflow button. I'm going to call it check availability. Now click on plus and search for webhook. Now click into it. Our HTTP method will be post. Now copy the test URL from here. Go back to Retell. Now paste in the test URL into the API endpoint. Now click on save. Now we have to send some data from Retell to our n8n workflow. To do that, we are going to go back to n8n. Now click on listen for test event. Now go back to Retell. Now click on chat. Select manual chat. Now I'm going to ask, do you have availability tomorrow at 10 a.m.? Now you can see we have got some data from Retell into our n8n workflow. Now we are going to pin this data from here. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus. From here select AI. Now click into AI agent. Our source for the prompt will be defined below. Now here we have to add our prompt. Here I'm going to paste in the prompt that I have already pre-built. You will get this full n8n template in the link description below. The current date and time is this variable and the customer requested time is this variable. If you get error on this variable, then you have to remove it and then you have to search for the time from the left side. Now drag the time from here and put it right into here. Now we are going to click out of it. After downloading this n8n template, you have to click right up here into three dots and then you have to click into import from file to import the n8n workflow. Now we are going to click on plus of the chat model. From here you can select different chat models. I'm going to use OpenAI chat model. For the model we are going to use GPT-5 mini. Now we are going to click out of it. The chat model will work as the brain of our AI agent. Now we are going to click on plus of the tool. Now search for Google Calendar. Now click into it. Our resource is calendar. Operation is availability. From here we have to select the calendar. Our start time and end time will be populated by AI. I'm going to call it check availability. Now we are going to run this AI agent to see if it is working perfectly. Here you can see it is working perfectly. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click on plus and search for respond to webhook. Now click into it. Now we are going to click out of it. Now click into the webhook. On the response, select respond to webhook node. Now unpin this data. Now copy the production URL from here. Now click out of it. Now we are going to publish this workflow. Our workflow is live now. Now go back to Retell. Now click into check availability function and here on the API endpoint remove the test URL and paste in the production URL. Now click on update. Now we are going to build the book appointment function. To do that we are going to click on add button. Now click on custom function. I am going to call it book appointment. Now we have to add its description. Its description is function to book appointments on the calendar. Now we are going to scroll down here into the parameters. Now click on form and from here we have to add our parameters. Our first parameter is to send of the name of the customer. So I am going to call it name. Its description is the name of the customer. Now we are going to create another property. Its name is phone. Its description is the phone number of the customer. Now we are going to add the email. Its description is the email of the customer. Now we are going to add the service type. Its description is the type of service the customer is having. And at last we are going to add the time. Its description is the confirmed time of the customer. Now we are gonna go back to n8n. Now we are gonna create a new workflow. I'm going to call it book appointment. Now click on plus and search for webhook. Now click into the webhook. Our HTTP method is post. Now copy the test URL from here. Go back to Retell. Now paste in the test URL into the API endpoint. Now click on save. Now we have to send some data into our workflow. To do that, we are gonna go back to n8n. Now click on listen for test event. Now go back to Retell. Now I'm gonna start a new chat. Now I will try to book an appointment. I have to write my name, phone number and email to secure the appointment. Now if I go back to n8n, you can see we have got some data from Retell. Now we are gonna pin these details. Now click out of it. Now click on plus, then select AI. Now we are gonna click into AI agent. Our source for the prompt will be defined below. Now here we have to add our prompt. I'm gonna paste in the prompt that I have already pre-built. You will get this full n8n template in the link description below. If you get error on this confirm time variable, then you have to remove it. Then you have to find the time from the left side. After getting the time, drag the time from here and put it right into here. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on plus of the chat model. Here I'm gonna use OpenAI chat model. Our model is GPT-5 mini. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on plus of the tool. Now search for Google Calendar. Now click into it. Our resource is event, operation is to create. Now we have to select our calendar from here. Our start time and end time will be populated by AI. Now we are gonna click on add field. Now we are gonna add the description. In the description, at first we are gonna add the name. Now we have to find the name from the left side. Now drag the name from here and put it right into here. Now we are gonna add the service type. Now drag the service type from here and put it right into here. Then we are gonna add the time. Now we are gonna add the phone number. And at last we are gonna add the email. Now we are gonna click again on add field. Now we are gonna add the summary. Its summary is new appointment for the name variable. Now drag the name from here and put it right into here. Now we are gonna add the time. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on plus of the tool and search for Gmail tool. Now click into it. Its resource is message, operation is to send. Now here we have to add the receiver's email. To do that, we have to find the receiver's email from the left side. Now drag the email from here and put it right into here. Now we have to add the subject. Its subject is appointment booking confirmation for the name variable. Now drag the name from here and put it right into here. Our email type is text. Now here we have to add the email body. This is a confirmation email that your appointment for a service type variable is booked at the time variable. We look forward to seeing you based or a Spa clinic. Our email will look like this in the inbox. It is a basic email body to show you how to write an email. You have to write it according to your business. Now we are gonna click out of it. I'm going to call this tool Gmail. Now we are gonna run the AI agent to see if it is working perfectly. Here you can see it has successfully booked the appointment into our calendar, and we should also get a confirmation email into our inbox. Here you can see we have also got the confirmation email, but it is saying this email was sent automatically with n8n. We have to remove it. To do that, we are gonna go back to n8n. Now click into Gmail. Now click on add option. Now click on append n8n attribution. Now we are gonna turn this off and it will fix the problem. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on plus and search for respond to webhook. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click into the webhook. Now on the respond we have to select respond to webhook node. Now copy the production URL from here and unpin these details. Now we are gonna click out of it. Now click on publish. Now go back to Retell. Now click into book appointment function. Now remove the test URL from API endpoint and paste in the production URL. Now click on update. Now we are gonna talk to the AI agent to see if it is working perfectly.
Thanks for calling Aura Med Spa Clinic. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a skin consultation. Do you have availability maybe tomorrow at around 2 p.m.?
It looks like 2 p.m. tomorrow is already booked, but we do have openings at 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Would either of those times work for your skin consultation?
Yeah, 1 p.m. would work for me.
Perfect. Can I grab your full name, phone number, and email to secure your 1 p.m. skin consultation?
My name is John Smith. My phone number is 12498765543 and my email address is efran7681@gmail.com.
Thanks, John. Just to confirm, your name is John Smith. Phone number is 124987543, and your email is efran7681@gmail.com. You'd like to book a skin consultation tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is everything correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
All set, John. You're booked for your skin consultation tomorrow at 1 p.m. If you need anything else or want to adjust your appointment, just let me know. We look forward to seeing you.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome, John. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Goodbye for now.
Now here you can see it has successfully booked the appointment into our calendar, and we should also get a confirmation email into our inbox. And here you can see we have also got the email. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how you can build your own AI voice agent that works seamlessly with your data. If you are looking to implement a voice agent like this inside your business, or you have got any questions, feel free to book a completely free discovery call using the link description below. We would be happy to answer any questions you have. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.